Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you another intro, and this is the Happy Hour Round 2 intro. So if you want to hear all about this older project and all of the products I'm rolling in, then let's get into it. So, this is created by Danny and Deb B and is a Pantastic Ladies Collab. This is an older project, but I will explain why I wanted to do this project and all of the things as we get into it. This starts on, it's supposed to start on November 12th because that's National Happy Hour Day, but I am starting it just a hair early because I'm rolling in more prompts. So, but I am going to end it by November 12th of 2026. So it's rolling style. You can start with as many as you like. So I'm starting with 10 prompts. Collection specific goals. I randomized my goals from 1 to 30. And I grabbed all of the prompts from round 2. And then I also grabbed all of the non-repeating prompts from round 1. So in total, I think I have 46 or 43 prompts. So I wanted to do this project because I love alcohol. I love me a good drink, a good mixed drink. I used to be a bartender even. Love it. But due to the kinds of medication that I am on, I can no longer drink. So, to do a little last hurrah and to celebrate that, like, I'm taking better steps in my health and I'm taking my health seriously and things like that, I want to do this project and have a little nod to my old bartending, a little nod to all of that. I wanted to do this. I think that this is just fun. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you on screen as I get out the 10 products that I rolled in. Alright, so for Liquid Courage, that is, I gotta get to the prompts, that might help. That is an item that intimidates you or you need liquid courage to wear it. So I'm bringing in, this is from Charm Very, and it's their 2-in-1 eyeliner removal pen. I got this in PR. So on one side you have the removal pen, which has just like eye makeup remover in it, and on the other side you have the eyeliner. So this is the liquid eyeliner pen. It's just in black, and I randomized 10 uses, which I'm very happy I only got 10 uses because me and liquid eyeliner, it's a little spooky. So, very happy that I only got 10 uses. For Daiquiri, that is a fruit-themed item, whether that be name, packaging, scent. So I'm bringing in this Glam Light Margarita palette. This is on my chopping block anyway, but I'm specifically bringing in this shade in the center, Watermelon. So let me swatch this for you. It's a beautiful pink, and I randomized 18 uses on this shade. So definitely by the time my 18 uses are up, I will know whether or not I want to keep this palette in my collection. Then we have Cinco de Mayo, and that is use 5 pans in a palette 5 times each. So I'm bringing in, this is also on my chopping block, this is the Glam Light Chocolate Martini palette, which looks like this. And the 5 shades that I'm bringing in are Vanilla Vodka and Happy Hour. Those are the 2 shimmers, which look like that. And then I'm bringing in 3 mattes. So I'm bringing in the shade All Night, Girls Night Out, and Dark Chocolate. So there we go. Those are the 5 shades that I'm going to get 5 times use on. And I have a little paper in the palette so that I can write down as I use it. Next, we have Top Shelf Liquor. And that is an expensive item. So I'm bringing in my Pat McGrath and Bridgerton highlighter. This is in the shade Incandescent Gold 002. And I randomized 19 uses. So we'll see what 19 uses does. But that's the highlight right there. It is stunningly gorgeous. So again, we shall see what that does to the highlight. Then we got Shot, which is a sample or single-use item. I don't have this in front of me, but oh, I'm getting a call. That was my other doctor calling to make an appointment for me. Sorry. So where were we? We were talking, about Shot. So a sheet mask. I don't have one in front of me, but I have like 4 in my skincare fridge. So when I do a sheet mask, I will just keep the wrapper in my little bin here, and I will show you that I did a sheet mask. But I'm not going to say that it's going to be a specific one. Because like I said, I have 4 in my skincare fridge. So, but I'm saying I'm going to do a sheet mask. Then we have Cocktail Shaker, and that's something you have to shake before using. And I'm bringing in, this is from NYX, it's the Bear With Me Setting Spray, because I always shake my mists before I use them. So I brought this in. This is for 7 uses. This is in another project for, I think, 3 or 5 uses first. So I'm going to do that first before I don't double dip my uses. So there is that. So the weight that you'll be seeing on screen will be after those uses. But so if I haven't done those yet, then you won't be seeing a weight on screen because I don't want to take a weight and it not be correct. So let's flip the page. Then we have Martini, and that is an item with odd-shaped packaging. So I'm bringing in from LYS because they have their triangle packaging. And this is their Skin Tint Stick. And I have mine in the shade LN3. So it looks like this. I just got this in last month's BoxyCharm. So definitely want to use this, see if this is for me, if I like it, and whatnot. And I got 20 uses on that guy. Then we got Last Call, an item that's almost finished. I am bringing in from Natasha Denona. What are you? That was a piece of glitter. I don't know why there was a piece of glitter in my blush. But anywho, I'm bringing in the highlighter. This is the 3rd time I have repressed this highlighter and hit pan. So this guy is almost gone and I want to finish this. So we'll see how long it takes to finish. And then we have Well Liquor, and that is something from the drugstore or an inexpensive item. I'm bringing in my Milani lipstick. I've worked on teas all year, so I figured Peony needs some use. Oh, I should have swatched that highlighter for you. Give me 1 second. So there's Peony, and this is how much I have left. So I got 19 uses on Peony. So, and the highlighter is in the shade Dream Glow. So there is the highlight right there. It's going to go beautifully with the Pat McGrath highlighter. Excuse you, sir. And last but not least, we got Bartender. Really did it this time. A product you can rely on or a product that never stops. And I'm bringing in from Il Makiage. This is my baked blush in the shade Bootylicious. I love this blush. It never does me wrong when I wear it. It is so beautiful. Just stunningly gorgeous. I want more baked blushes in my collection. And I got 8 uses on this guy. So that is going to do it for my intro to the Happy Hour project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are going to like this project. I'm excited. Like I said, I think it's just going to be fun and silly. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.